Hello everyone. Now in this particular video, once we are done with our list, let us understand what are dictionaries. So dictionary is a different special data type in Python, which is moreover advantageous to us when we don't want our indexes to be fixed. Okay, so there was a restriction in list that the reference numbers, that is the indexes, they were pretty fixed, right? So we don't want that to happen. That is, we want a liberty to change those indexes. So for that we have something called as dictionary, and whenever I say the word dictionary, please try to remember that we'll be using curly brackets as we used a square bracket for the list. Okay, let us now make one dictionary. So we'll write the name of the dictionary as dict1. Let me remove the caps lock. Dict1 is equals to, as I said, that the dictionary would have curly braces. So there are the curly braces, and I'll have name as 1 and its value to be say 100, comma 2 and 200 or 300. So this is my dictionary, wherein whatever is in the left hand side of colon is a key and whatever is in the right hand side of colon is my value. Key, value, key, value. Similarly, when I'll run this, and you cannot see the output, but yeah, number is there means it has been executed. So when I show the values of it, you can see that we have 100 and 300. This means that we have two different data in our same dictionary. So when we'll check the length of this dict1, we should get 2. Yes, that's right. Now what if I want to access my value of 100? So for that my reference point is 1. So I'll simply write dict1 square bracket 1 and run it. So you will get your output as 100. So can you understand, can you relate it, what is the difference between a list and a dictionary? It is that your dictionary will have different what we'll say keys or indices, whereas your list were having same indexes. So if you want to access this 300, you can simply write dict1 square bracket 2. Now this can be in the any order, like your keys and value pairs, they need not be only integers, they can be anything, like it could be a string, it could be a boolean as well, or any of the combinations. So for that, let's try to see one more example wherein I define my say D2 as a different dictionary, wherein I write say D and here I write Delhi, and again let's write M, and for values let's write Mumbai. Similarly, let's write C, and one more, let's write Chennai. So when we'll run this, you can see that you have a dictionary with these 3 different elements, and when you want to say maybe check what is at the position C, you'll simply write C over here, and when you'll run it, you'll get your Chennai. So like there's no difference, we are just showing it, so it's looking like that. If you don't want that codes to be there, you can write print, so those codes won't be appearing. So this is how you can access value out of a dictionary, and those are your values. So dictionary is more of a key value pair, which is also can be used for mapping of different data. Okay, now there is one more advantage in this key value pair, is that when you write d2 dot say keys, and when you run it, it's a function, so you'll have to write a round bracket. So d2 dot keys round bracket open close, you can see that all the keys, that is D, M and C, you will be getting that as a list. Now there's one more thing, you can also write values over here and run it, you will get all the different values of that particular dictionary. Similarly, d2 dot items is also there, and using this you get a single key value pair. Okay, you get that in a list only, that is, since you can see that this is coming in the square bracket, so this is the list itself, but the difference is that you will be getting that as a individual entity. Now you can again try writing this within a print. so that you can get a clear idea about how it is looking like. But yeah, there won't be any change because these are the values of that particular dictionary. So this is how you can access all the key values or all the values or in a pair of those things. So this is all about dictionary, and there's one more important and the last point left in the dictionary is that dictionary keys cannot be repeated. As in, like in the list, we could be only having 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 that were the default indices. Similarly, in dictionary, if you try to define two different values for a single or same key, then that won't be initialized. It will store the value of the latest one or the one which is coming at the last. It will skip the value or it will override the value of the previous one. So for that as well, we can see one example over here. So I am writing D2, or else what we'll do is we'll simply take what was our dictionary D2? Okay, yeah, so this was our dictionary. I'll just copy it, and D2 is equals to paste my dictionary, and again give a comma over here, and say again I'll define a key M, but this time my value after colon would be Pune. So I want to write M for Pune as well and M for Mumbai as well. Let's see if it takes Pune or Mumbai or both. So when we'll run this, and then when we'll try to see the value, you can see that dictionary is storing only one value, which is not of Mumbai and of Pune, because it was defined the latest, or it was defined at the end. So the previous value gets overwritten because of the next value. So please remember this in your mind, that is reference value can always be stored, like reference value can only store one values, and this is how you can make a key value pair data, which is called as a dictionary. Now in the next video, we'll be seeing how different dictionaries can be combined and how you can utilize all the operations related to dictionary. Thank you.